and then the stabilization tries to kick in. So there's like the control and the mechanics, the auto features fighting each other constantly. And I don't think there's a way to turn that off. Hey, little gentleman. Little chopper. So, yeah, it's kind of cool. Let's go over there and watch these people. I feel a little bit more confident to kind of hover over here a minute. But it still does that little, it doesn't like the hover. It just simply doesn't like it. Wonder if I make it through that hole up there. Oh, I just can't resist trying. I can't resist. You think I'll ever see this thing again? I'll come over here and have to visit it on the weekends. Hey, little thing, you still in that tree? That's what I'll be saying. Get out of that tree. Uh-oh. 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 No, my guess. My guess is no. Nope, can't do it. Well, that's my first big wreck. Let's see what we get out of it. It was over here somewhere. Let's see. I was trying to go through that thing there, and I heard a big clumpy thump over here. Y'all see it? I don't see it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I believe that's it right there. Nope. No, that's a pine cone. Yonder it go. I found it. I found it. Oh, and the battery bounced right out of it, didn't it? Well, that's probably a good thing. So, it doesn't look hurt. You hurt? You alright? Hello? I think he's alright. I believe he's okay. I think so. Uh-oh. I see that canopy didn't like it. Yeah, it didn't like that. I wonder where that battery went. Yeah, little battery. Come in. There he is. There's that little battery. Come over here and get the little battery. Well, I just wanted to fly it around a little bit anyway. Just came over here and kind of have, and it seems to be getting a little bit crowded for me. Yeah, I like people, but people in drones they don't mix. They just don't mix. So I believe I'm gonna pack my little stuff up while I'm ahead of the game. Feel like I'm ahead of the game anyway. Let's turn some stuff off. Yeah. Last time I had this thing running, I don't know. Got turned on, didn't mean for it to. Seems to work now. I don't know. I ain't gonna say nothing. Yay, we. All right. Well, I've certainly had worse flights. I think y'all might have seen a couple of them. It's not in the tree. Yay, it's not in the tree. Oh my goodness. So do a little breakdown thing. Put everything back in this place here. And we'll come do this another pretty day. All right, what? And look, you see what I'm telling you? They gone. As soon as I'm putting that, man, I hate you, Dice. I really do.